BaoBao Technology is an original manufacturer with specialities in the design, development, manufacturing, and marketing of industrial touchscreen monitors, industrial panel PCs, open-frame touchscreen monitors, POS systems, interactive digital signages, slot machines, touch monitors, and stretched bar LCD displays. We also offer display solutions for self-service kiosks, smart lockers, EV charging stations, query management, ATMs, POS terminals, interactive displays, and other OEM, ODM projects. Our company's products have passed ISO 9001 system certification, and we offer a wide range of customization options to meet the specific needs of our customers. We are committed to providing our customers with the suitable possible products and services, and we are confident that we can help you find the perfect solution for your needs. With a commitment to excellence and a focus on quality, we had a skilled team in delivering reliable and innovative products to meet the evolving needs of our customers. Together, we drive efficiency and push the boundaries of manufacturing to create superior touchscreen computer hardware that powers the digital world. Let's connect and explore how we can collaborate to shape the future of technology.